Getting ready to tackle the NP board exam? Feeling overwhelmed and wondering, how do I even study for this? Don't worry, we've got you covered. At Latrina Walden Exam Solutions, we're all about helping future nurse practitioners study smarter, not harder. In this video, we're sharing juicy NP exam study tips that are actually effective, so you can prep with confidence. Tip number 1, develop a concrete study plan. Sounds basic, but studies show that a structured routine based on your learning style can dramatically boost retention. Start by figuring out your learning style, whether you're a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner, and build your plan around it. Rework your schedule, create study blocks, and take regular breaks. Remember, cramming is a no-go. Long sessions lead to burnout, not better scores. Tip number 2, build a step-by-step study strategy. Break your topics down into manageable chunks. Identify weak areas and use tools like flashcards, highlighters, and notes to reinforce understanding. Focus on the big picture first, then zoom in on buzzwords and concepts that connect everything together. Tip number 3, be smart about the review courses you choose. Too many test prep companies can clutter your focus. Instead, stick to 1 or 2 solid resources that match your learning style, like on-demand courses, test banks, or live reviews. Make a quick pros and cons list if you're unsure which one to pick, and choose the one that gives you the best value and flexibility. At the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to studying, just the one that works for you. So if you're ready to take control of your NP exam prep and build a strategy that actually gets results, visit us at LatrinaWaldenExamSolutions.com. We've got bundles, live webinars, flashcards, and more to help you study smart and pass with confidence.